Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth insights on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you. The ultimate solution for keeping your screens sparkling clean and smudge-free. Introducing the best PC monitor cleaner on the market, the Screen Cleaner Spray by EVEO. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Alright, let's get down to business. First things first, let me tell you why this screen cleaner spray from EVEO stands out from the rest. It's not just your average cleaning solution. It's a game changer for anyone who wants crystal clear screens without the hassle. Now, what makes this product the best PC monitor cleaner out there? Well, let's break it down. This isn't just a run-of-the-mill screen cleaner. It's a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to keep your screens looking pristine. You get a generous 16-ounce bottle of cleaning solution, along with a premium microfiber cloth designed to gently wipe away dust, fingerprints, and smudges without leaving behind any streaks or residue. And here's the best part, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply spray a small amount of the cleaning solution onto the microfiber cloth, then gently wipe your screen until it's spotless. No need to worry about damaging your delicate electronics. This formula is gentle yet effective on all types of screens, including LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED. But what really sets this screen cleaner apart is its versatility. Whether you're cleaning your PC monitor, laptop, tablet, smartphone, or even your TV, this spray has got you covered. Say goodbye to smudges and hello to a streak-free shine every time. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know what you think. And be sure to check out our other videos for more expert product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!